So they did a puja or a havan to get that spirit out of the house. And
We have this entire misunderstanding of what Darwin really meant when he said survival of the fittest.
Please send some love to, I think it's Lakshmi Archana. What amazing artwork.
New place and everything. We started packing everything, and my mom was the one war footing.
അസ്സലാമു അലൈക്കും. എൻ്റെ പേര് മൈമൂന എന്നാണ്. ഇതെൻ്റെ മോനാണ്, 2 വയസ്സിൽ. മോനിക്ക്
towards the moving out of the
so
मेरा
yeah,
आइस ट्रेन हो रहा था, सॉरी.
yeah.
Continue,
So
sir.
it wasn't. So it was in Calcutta, and we were just narrating our stupid ghost stories until one of our flatmates came in, and he was like, "Oh, do you find these scary? Let me tell you one of my ghost stories which I personally experienced." So there is a village in Calcutta. So it was his hometown. For the namesake, just we'll just call him Bhaiya, like
Cool.
Sunny Bhaiya.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Sunny Bhaiya was from his hometown, and he came to Calcutta and to study. Like he was masters in some engineering degree. I don't even know what proper degree